Can you start a successful concrete company part-time and minimize risk while building toward full-time revenue? Yes, you can, but you must be deliberate about scope, margins, and time allocation. Begin by defining a narrow service offering such as decorative overlays, small patios, and repair work that sell for higher per-hour margins and require minimal crew size. Use a simple pricing model that charges by job with clear line items for materials, labor, and contingency so you avoid underbidding when time is limited. Keep fixed costs low by using rented equipment or owner-operated tools until volume supports purchases, and schedule jobs tightly on weekends and evenings with buffers for weather and curing. Build repeatable systems for estimating, permitting, and site cleanup so each job consumes predictable hours and you can batch administrative work into 1 or 2 weekly sessions. Market through targeted local channels like neighborhood social groups, trade apps, and flyers at home improvement stores to attract small residential projects that match your part-time availability. Track job profitability at the task level and reinvest profits into one key hire or one piece of equipment when consistent demand reaches the threshold that makes full-time transition feasible. Common mistakes are trying to offer everything and failing to specialize, which wastes time and reduces margins. Solve this by listing only the 2 or 3 highest margin services you can reliably deliver yourself. Another issue is underestimating permitting, inspections, and cure windows that stretch jobs into weekdays. Solve this by building a permitting checklist and scheduling cradle to finish timelines with 2 clear buffer days. A third problem is fixed overhead growing too quickly with poor cash flow, which kills part-time viability. Solve this by leasing equipment, deferring non-essential subscriptions, and paying yourself only from profitable projects until volume justifies expansion. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for concrete and other contractors with local professionals and hosts a discussion community where peers and clients share real experiences and advice. We help contractors find work by listing projects and enabling conversations that build reputation and lead to repeat clients.